name is Surya Prakash. Now we are going to see the experiment 1 and leading solution to solve fractional snapshot problem. Now we are going to see experiment 1, and we have to create the public static void main, and we have to put the statement. Statement is system. We have to print our name and number. Try scanner s is equal to new scanner system. Now we have to go to see integer 3 variables, values of items, integer n w, max is equal to -1, total equal to 0. Now we are going to see the another. We have to print in output. Now we are going to put input, enter the number of items, n is equal to se next integer. Now we are going to see the next integer. That integer is integer new 2 and check new integer n. Now another system, we have to print, enter the capacity of knapsack. Now we are going to see w equal to se next integer. For loop, we have to going to see for loop integer I equal to 0 and I lesser than n, I plus increment. Now we are going to see the system out. Print, going to print, enter the weight and profit of items. Now we are going to for int I equal to 0, I n, I plus plus, I increment. Check I equal to 0. Now we are going to see the while current w greater than equal to 0, max is equal to -1. Now we are going to see for loop. In for loop, I equal to 0, we have to check max I. Now we have to go to the statement, click max is equal to 1, current equal to minus equal to 0, max total we have to see. Now check the max value equal to 1, current 0, total plus 1. If current less than equal to 0, total minus is equal to 1, total plus is equal to 1. This is the statement. Now we have to put string total null. Now we have to at last we have to put print the maximum profit is how much the value it will be total. Now we are going to see the output of this program. Now the output of this program is enter the number of items 3, enter the capacity of knapsack 50, enter the weight and profit of item 1 10 60, enter the weight and profit of item 2 20 100, enter the weight profit of the item 3 30 20. Now we have to calculate the maximized profit is 240. Thank you for watching. This is about the experiment number 1.